Imagine if your customers could visualize furniture in their homes before buying it just by pointing their phone. That's the power of an app like IKEA. Today, we'll break down what it takes to build one of these AR-enhanced furniture apps in 2025. Why build an IKEA-style app? In today's home decor market, convenience and visualization are king. AR apps let users virtually place furniture in their space so they can see how it fits, looks, and matches before they buy. This immersive shopping journey not only boosts confidence but also cuts down on returns and elevates your brand. Core features you'll need. To create a compelling furniture AR app, you'll need user accounts and security. Sign up via email, phone, or social with optional two-factor authentication. Product catalog and navigation. Detailed listings with beautiful, high-res images, organized filters, and product specs. AR integration. Let users place and preview 3D furniture within their rooms, modeled from all angles. Interactive shopping cart and checkout. Smooth checkout experience with multiple secure payment methods. Reviews and ratings. Build trust through feedback from verified customers. AI-powered recommendations. Suggest products based on user behavior and browsing history. Customer support and chatbots. Provide quick responses with an integrated AI chatbot. Building blocks and tech stack. Under the hood, here's what powers a robust app. Front-end options. Build native apps using Swift, iOS, and Kotlin, Android, or use cross-platform frameworks like React Native or Flutter. Backend setup. Use scalable tools like Node.js, Python, or Java for managing user data, content, and integrations. Databases. SQL, like PostgreSQL, for structured data, NoSQL, like MongoDB, or Firebase for flexible use cases. Cloud hosting. AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure offer scalable infrastructure. AR frameworks. Integrate ARKit for iOS or ARCore for Android, combined with Unity or Unreal Engine for immersive visuals. Payments. Use trusted gateways like Stripe, PayPal, or Razorpay. Design tools. Use Figma, Adobe XD, or Sketch for intuitive UX/UI prototypes. Section 4. Cost to develop an IKEA-style app. Building an app like this involves significant effort, but let's break it down. Platforms specializing in AR app development estimate costs generally range from $30,000 to $50,000 for a full-featured app similar to IKEA, including AR catalog, multi-platform support, UI/UX design, backend development, QA, and project management. More detailed breakdowns show web development estimates around $66,000 to $114,000 based on 440 to 760 development hours, taking into account design, AR coding, and testing. Factors like 3D modeling, interactive AR features, platform count, and team rates can push costs higher. Smart cost strategies. Want to control costs while maintaining quality? Start with an MVP. Focus on essential features and iterate. Use cross-platform tools. Save time and budget by developing for both iOS and Android simultaneously. Outsource smartly. Developers in regions like Eastern Europe or India often offer excellent quality at lower rates. Plan for maintenance. Budget around 15 to 20% of the original cost annually for updates, bug fixes, and feature enhancements. An app like IKEA blends commerce with immersive technology, changing the way users shop for their homes. Whether you're starting small or dreaming big, planning your features, tech, and budget ahead makes all the difference. Like this video if immersive shopping experiences inspire you. Comment below, which AR feature excites you most: virtual placement, smart recommendations, or AI chat support. Subscribe for more insight on building next-gen apps.